Hi, Savannah.
Hi, Mommy. I got all your ants. I got more ants.
Okay, so what are we making today?
We're gonna make sugar first.
No, we're not. We're going to make Play-Doh. So sit down.
I'm gonna make Playdoh.
Yes, you're going to make Play-Doh. So put that. No. Put that in the bowl. 3 cups of flour. Now put in the salt. Yep. Put it all in. No, just pour it in. Well done. Mix it around. Careful. Do it slowly. Okay. Now put the cream of tartar in, which is this one. Yeah. Well done. Okay, mix it again slowly. Does that look like Play-Doh? No?
No.
Not yet. The oil, and put the oil in 2 hands. That's 1/3 of oil. Well done. Good job. Well done. Give it a mix. Do a small mix.
It was Playdoh. Yeah.
Okay, and I slowly put the warm water in. Oh, careful. That's 3 cups of warm water. Keep mixing. So now a grown-up will go and warm this up. I'll cook it. I'm just going to cook it until it's all nice and stringy and hard together. Back in a second. So then you just have to knead it. It's very hot, so be very, very careful. Make sure your grown-up's doing it for you. And then just keep doing that. What I'll do, I'm just going to let this cool down for a little bit, and then we'll get down to the Play-Doh. We've separated the Play-Doh. It's now nice and hard. It's a bit squishy. So Savannah, using your pen with the ink, pick one. Put it in the middle. Yep, put it in the middle. Well done. What colour is that?
Black.
Black. Now mix it in. Well done. Mix it in. Yeah, well done. What colour is that? Pink. Oh, that's red. Now fold it in.
This.
So you've got all your colours now. So you've got black.
Black and red and yellow and pink and green.
Well done. Now you're gonna make some shapes.
Yeah.
Yeah? Well done.
I'm making reindeer.
You're gonna make a reindeer?
Yeah.
Wow, good job. You make a reindeer. Good job. Does it feel like Play-Doh? Yeah? Wow,
Who did
amazing.
that silly noise?
What are you gonna make now? And you're making a squirrel. And a reindeer. Good job. And that's what we've done so far. A hedgehog, 2 snails, a squirrel and a reindeer.